Max, back here on our video. And today, in this video, we are doing a fidget spinner tower. How many fidget spinners we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7. Yeah, 7. Okay, so we have 7 fidget spinners, and we're gonna do the ultimate fidget spinner stack. So yeah, let's go. Okay, which one should we put on the bottom? This one, because it's the heaviest.
The biggest, well, the widest base.
Let's go for the widest base. Let's the smallest. Okay, so this one, move it down here. Oh no, this is not gonna allow us. Stick around it. See how it looks. Okay, so then this one, because yeah, I think we should do like the heaviest. You think? It would? Let's do that one. Yeah. Now let's do, and then this one probably. No, because this is too small. Wait. Oh no. Put the plastic ones first.
Then the metal ones.
Wait, this is like crooked.
I don't care.
Then I get the final one. Don't fail. And then okay, let's try again.
That failed that.
It's too flat. No, dude, it's not too flat. It just like slide out. Okay, so this one. Oh, the plastic ones. Okay, this one, because they're like. Wait, which one first? Yeah, though.
This one. Then this one.
How do we get these on there?
Here. Yes! I got that. Okay, now we're gonna do the thumbnail and don't spin it yet. I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna spin them.
Spin it.
That one, I did it on the wrong side. Okay,
So
do you want to end it
hard.
now since we did it?
Sure.
Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like for another fidget spinner video.
We failed.
And yeah, we kind of failed. Yeah, kind of. We failed the first time, but the second time we got it. But
Kind
yeah,
of.
peace out.